Chapter 18. Program Designing Tools and Techniques. Introduction. Program design tools are the tools used to develop a program. Programming tool is a computer program that software developers use to create, debug and maintain programs and applications. A programming tool may be any software program or utility that helps software developers or programmers in creating, editing, debugging, maintaining and/or performing any programming or developing specific task. Tools for program designing. A programmer can use the given tools to design a program which we are going to discuss below. Algorithm. We have to use different steps to solve the problems. An algorithm is a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. We can define algorithm as a step-by-step procedure to solve a given problem. While preparing an algorithm, we should identify what should be the input, process, output and storage. Features of algorithm. Examples of algorithm. Write an algorithm to calculate simple interest. Step 1, start. Step 2, input the principal amount and store it in variable P. Step 3, input the time taken and store it in variable T. Step 4, input the rate percentage and store it in variable R. Step 5, calculate interest with formula, interest equals, pxdxr/100. Step 6, display the value of interest. Step 7, stop. Flowchart. Flowcharts use special shapes or symbols representing different types of actions or steps in a programming process. Flowcharts are commonly used in developing business plans, designing algorithms and determining troubleshooting steps. The commonly used software programs are SmartDraw and Visio. Flowcharts are useful to rules for drawing flowcharts. Types of flowchart. There are two types of flowcharts which are explained below. System flowchart. System flowcharts are a way of displaying how data flows in a system and how decisions are made to control events. Program flowchart. Program flowchart is a diagram which uses a set of standard graphic symbols to represent the sequence of coded instructions fed into a computer. It is a tool to improve work efficiency. There are four basic symbols in program flowchart: start, process, decision and end. Each symbol represents a piece of the code written for the program. Examples of flowcharts. Draw a flowchart to find out the sum of any two numbers. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a simple way of writing programming code in English. Pseudocode is not actual programming language. So, it cannot be compiled into an executable program. This is done to identify top-level flow errors and understand the programming data flows that the final program is going to use. Examples of pseudocode. Write a pseudocode to add two numbers together and then display the result.